Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to make a quilted gingham heart-shaped vanity bag. The link to the pattern is in the description under the video. To make this tutorial you will need mesh fabric, a 2 cm wide bias tape, 1.7 meter long, a 20 cm long zipper, a 55 cm long zipper, light cotton fabric for the lining, quilted cotton fabric for the outside, the printed and cut pattern. Fold the outer fabric and cut the pattern pieces as shown on the cutting layout. Cut the lining pieces in the same way as for the outer fabric. Cut the pockets from the mesh fabric. Before removing the patterns, transfer the important markings to the fabric. Grab the two pieces of the bag's perimeter and their lining. Grab the long zipper. Mark the middles of the perimeter pieces and the zipper. Open the zipper. Place one side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining of one side of the perimeter, right sides together, respecting the middle. Place the second side of the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining of the second perimeter, right sides together, respecting the middle. Stitch each side 1 cm from the edge. I've removed the zipper slider to make this easier. This step is optional. Since I've removed the slider, I will trim the excess zipper and put it back in place. Fold the fabric right sides together and top stitch 5 mm from the edge on either side of the zipper. Fold the bag handle right sides together and stitch the long side 1 cm from the edge. Press the seam. Flip the piece right side out and iron the second time. Take the perimeter, the back piece and its lining and the handle. Place one end of the handle over one end of the zipper right sides together. Then place one end of the perimeter between the back piece and its lining right sides together. Place the second end of the handle over the second end of the zipper right sides together. Place only the outer fabric of the back piece over the second perimeter end, right sides together. Stitch both ends of the perimeter 1 cm from the edge. Fold the free end of the back piece lining over 1 cm and press. Fold the lining over to cover the seam and pin in place. Use an invisible stitch to sew the lining. Stitch the lining with the outer fabric all around the perimeter 5 mm from the edge. Place the linings on the outer fabrics of the faces wrong sides on wrong sides and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Cut 2 pieces of bias to the length of the mesh pocket. Fold the bias in half and place it on the straight edge of each of the pocket pieces. Take the small zipper and both sides of the mesh pocket. Mark the centers of the zipper and both sides of the pocket. Place the 2 sides of the pocket on either side of the zipper, wrong sides on right sides, and stitch 2 parallel seams 2 mm from the bias edge. I opted to use a red zipper instead of the white one because I found out that the colors stand out better with the lining. I put the zipper slider back on. This step is optional, you don't need to remove the slider to sew. Place the pocket on one face of the bag wrong side on right side and stitch all around 5 mm from the edge. Trim off any excess zipper. Mark the middles of the bag perimeter. Place the top edge of the perimeter on the top face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Open the zipper. Place the bottom edge of the perimeter on the bottom face of the bag, right sides together, matching the markings. Stitch both sides 1 cm from the edge. Fold one end of the bias binding inward 1 cm and place it all around the bag. Cut the bias to the length of the perimeter plus 1 cm. Stitch 5 mm from the edge. Do the same with the second face. Clip around the rounded edges of the bag. Fold the bias towards the inside of the bag and stitch by machine or using an invisible stitch. Your bag is ready. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments under the video.